Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix NVIDIA installation failed error. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitles. Our first step is to completely remove old NVIDIA driver. So for that, you need to enter into your device manager. Please search for device manager and enter into the device manager and click NVIDIA GeForce and uninstall it. Once you uninstall the NVIDIA, please refresh it. Refresh the button multiple times so that NVIDIA will install again. The second step is to update Windows. For that, you need to enter into the update, Windows update, check for the update. If it shows any troubleshoot, please check out my other video how to troubleshoot the Windows update error. So third step is to repair Windows system file. For that, you need to enter into run as administrator mode on CMD. Please copy the prompt in the description one by one, and please have some patience to wait on it because it needs to be load from 0 to 100. Yeah, once it loaded, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. The same you need to wait for sometimes because the same it need to be load from 0 to 100. Yeah, once it loaded, please restart your system and check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, please follow the fourth step and other steps. The fourth step is to disable Windows automatic driver installation. So for that, you need to press Windows R. Once you press the Windows R, please type sysdm.cpl and then hit OK. So over there, you need to enter into the hardware and device installation settings and please make it as in disable condition and please click OK. So fifth step is to reset NVIDIA service. For that, you need to enter into the services as run as administrator mode. Over there, please scroll down, you may see NVIDIA display. Please make it as service running, and again you need to enter into the properties and make it as automatic and check whether it's running or not. It's running, and then click apply and then click OK. The same you need to do for just restart it. Yeah, once you restarted, please enter into your properties and make it as automatic. Yeah, it's running. Okay, apply and click OK and then close it. Next step is to install driver through device manager. For that, you need to enter into the device manager and then right click, then please update the driver. Most of the time it will be in up to date, so nothing to worry. So guys, our last step is to restart the system. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.